Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your Amazon advertising campaigns by boosting your impressions and lowering your cost per click, so that way each sale you do make will have a much lower ACoS and will overall be much more profitable for you. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, well, my name is Sebastian and I'm the founder of ZonRush, which is an Amazon marketing agency, and we help sellers accelerate their sales and boost overall their revenue and their profitability when it comes to marketing their products on Amazon. Today's video is brought to you by RebatePal. RebatePal is a rebate platform for Amazon, and it allows Amazon sellers to offer fantastic rebate or coupon offers for their products and generate sales instantly by offering it on their RebatePal platform. RebatePal facilitates the rebates for Amazon sellers and makes a no headache, super seamless process for generating rebate sales. RebatePal also offers ManyChat integration, which makes it super easy for Amazon sellers who want to drive their own traffic using Facebook ads. Now they can leverage RebatePal's ManyChat integration feature to fulfill rebates or coupons to their buyers, and it makes it super easy to set that up with only just a few clicks. And of course, if you love everything Amazon and you want to stay ahead with your marketing strategies, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your alert notifications. That way, as I release new videos like this, you'll get notified. All right, so the very first campaign I'm going to show you how to optimize is going to be an auto campaign. The reason why we're going to first go to the auto campaign is because it's the easiest campaign for you to optimize without having any sort of knowledge about keywords or anything like that. So starting with the auto campaign is going to really be beneficial, especially for you beginner Amazon sellers who are just getting started advertising on Amazon. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on your auto campaign, and then you're going to go ahead and click on targeting. So once you click on targeting, you're going to see the same options that I'm looking at right here. You're going to see 4 different categories that Amazon uses. Now, this one is super simple. Out of these 4, all you have to do is raise the bid on your top performing ad group. So in this example, you can see Close Match is our top performing ad group. You can see we have a decent ACoS, 21%. And so we have the bid at 40 cents. Okay, and you can see that our second performing ad group is substitutes, and we have that one only at 15 cents. Now, this one is lower because you can see that the ACoS is higher. Now, it's still driving sales, which is why we still have this particular one active, but we want to have the bid much lower than Amazon's suggested bid if it's outside of your comfortable ACoS. Let's say you have a max ACoS ceiling of 40%. In this case, let's say that's our ceiling, 40%. So 34% is a little close to that. So we want to keep the bids about 50% below Amazon's suggested bid. So you can see we have a little bit more than 50%, but that's generally the rule of thumb. Now the close match, because it is really profitable right now at 21% ACoS, we obviously want to have it higher than this bid, but we still don't want it at exactly Amazon's suggested bid. So you can mess with this and see what works for you. Usually we'll do about 10% below Amazon's suggested bid, or even 15% below Amazon's suggested bid if it's really profitable. And so you can see ours is 40 cents and the suggested bid is 57 cents. It's not too far off, but that's keeping it at a really healthy ACoS for us. It's allowing us to maximize the impressions for this particular ad group in order to keep sales high. And so this is going to be one of the fastest ways for you to not only increase your impressions, but what you're doing is you're increasing the efficiency of your overall campaign performance, okay? And let's just say, for example, that compliments is, much higher. Let's say the ACoS is about 50%. We would either look to turn that one off completely. So for example, Loose Match had an ACoS at about 50%, so we actually just turned that one off completely. And Compliments hasn't been getting too many impressions, so that's why we still have it. We're getting some clicks, so we're going to see over time how it performs. And if it performs really well, maybe we'll allocate a little bit more towards the bid, but we don't have enough data to make a decision on Compliments right now, so we're just going to leave it active. Again, if Compliments had a super high ACoS above our 40% threshold, then we would just click the button there and it'll turn off. Just by applying these two simple strategies can easily yield you much higher returns on your ad spend and actually increase your sales while lowering your ACoS. I wanted to do something that was not too technically difficult, since I do get a lot of questions on Amazon sellers simply just wanting to know a few little tips and tricks on better Amazon PPC performance. So this video was just crafted for you guys who just want to make a few quick tweaks and easily increase your sales right away, because this is something you can implement right now and begin seeing dramatic difference in your sales. And don't forget, this video was brought to you by RebatePal. Now you can start your 7-day trial for only $1. I will have a link below in the description so you can take advantage of that offer. And remember, RebatePal allows you to not only leverage their platform to offer rebate and coupon offers, but you can also utilize their ManyChat integration feature, which allows you to create stunning Facebook ManyChat ads and fulfill rebates for them with only just a few clicks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.